My name is Jacob Roper. I graduated from California State University, Bakersfield with my bachelor's in biochemistry and biology. I graduated back in the fall of 2023. It's been a while. Since then, I've been employed here at the university. I'm an instructional support technician for the chemistry department. In short, basically, I'm a chemist. So I help prep all the labs for the teaching labs. I also help with any professors that need help with research, prepping materials for that. And so that's basically what I do from a day-to-day basis. And it's pretty fun. I was involved with various activities from the Copel Scholar Program, internships at Kern Medical, and volunteer experiences, being president of the Pre-Med Club, along with being involved with student government here of ASI. Actually a big factor in why I really wanted to explore more into science was research, being heavily involved with the research, particularly organic chemistry. So organic chemistry is the study of organic molecules, particularly molecules that are hydrocarbons. And what we particularly were looking at in our research is how to use these molecules that transfer energy in the form of electrons and how that could be used in solar cells and renewable resources. And so it was my hands-on experience that you don't really get in a teaching lab, because there's so many nuances and so many new novel aspects about techniques, about what you could just add to like a waste container and what you can't add that you don't really get from teaching lab experience. So it was that hands-on critical experience, being exposed to it, the critical thinking skills from working in a lab and really doing things at your own pace, rather than having a lab partner next to you and you can kind of go based off each other's ideas. So I would say that independent kind of experience, in lab you're learning, right? Whereas when you're doing research, you're learning, but it's also new. The labs have been proven to work in the teaching lab, but then when you're doing research, it's novel. So you're gonna find obstacles and you're going to find things that aren't going to always work out when you initially planned for them to do. And so then you have to problem solve and overcome that. And so that really is what I feel like I took and I applied to my job today. Allow yourself to grow, allow yourself to make mistakes, and allow yourself to experience these new things and be okay with the struggle. So many people are caught up in the day-to-day. I need to do this, I need to pass this class, I need to get to my endpoint. And I don't think a lot of people stop to try to smell the roses, to stop to try to understand, well, how is this going to help me to get to my endpoint?